Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am very excited because I am bringing you a natural hair video, and I partnered with Tsehai Henna to show you guys this really cool photochromic hair strengthening treatment kit, which is a fancy way of saying henna and the products associated with the henna treatment that I'm going to do after I removed my cornrows from when I had wigs on for almost a month. You can see how dirty my hair is, so I need a little CPR right now. And after my first rinse, I am going to go ahead and start with the first step of the process, which is the moisturizing shampoo. And you guys know, if you're subscribed, that I put half an ounce to 1 ounce of shampoo. This time we're doing half an ounce, and fill up the remainder of the squeeze bottle with water, shake it up, and target my scalp first, then work to the ends. This shampoo is sulfate free. It does have oils in it, which is great for people who have dry hair like I do. And it's just very softening. So it makes a great base for anything else that you want to do. A lot of people don't realize that shampoo is incredibly important in your hair care routine. Choose your shampoos wisely. And I'm working my scalp with my fingers because I sort of need a new shampoo brush. Until I get a good one, I'm going to just use my fingers to lift the dirt off my scalp. Also, this is my shedding. Because I didn't detangle beforehand, I did go ahead and rinse again, and I'm going in again with the shampoo. I know a lot of naturals right now are looking like, this girl's crazy, why is she washing her hair twice? But my hair was dirty, and the instructions advise that you double cleanse. It's a sulfate-free shampoo. It's not going to dry me out completely, but I'm going to move along to step number 2, which is the photochromic hair strengthening treatment, the henna itself. And I do have some gloves that Tsehai Henna sent me. They sent 2 pairs of gloves, and I'll be using these gloves to do my henna treatment. So the henna does come packaged perfectly. You're not going to have anything spilling in transit, and I'm using reasonably sized sections of hair, applying a small amount of henna to each section. You do not need to over apply product. That is what YouTubers do for dramatics, but if you spend your own money on products, do not put your products on your hair like we do, okay? We do that for attention and drama, but I do apply the henna on my scalp, on my hair, put my hair in bantu knots to section my hair off and make sure I don't go over the same sections twice. Also to stretch my hair out so that it's easier for me to manage my hair as I'm going through the treatment process. This particular henna, it does have green tea in it, and it also has sage to help strengthen your hair. Of course, the henna will strengthen it on its own because it is henna and it acts like a protein treatment. But you guys know, with my previous henna videos, and I'll link related videos down in the description box so that you can see what else you may need to watch for more information. I have historically put tea in my henna, which is something almost everybody does because tea does help with your henna treatment process. Now, this was an easy application because I was just getting the henna from my squeeze bottle and applying it. No mess, no drip. It's already done for you. You don't have to wait for the henna dye to release. The complications of henna are taken away with this product, so it was an easy application, and I am putting my complimentary shower cap on. There were 2 of these sent as well. And I'm following up with my Pamero Naturals Soft Bonnet Dryer for 35 minutes, which is the recommended processing time, instead of 2 or more several hours. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like before I rinse it out. My hair is stretched out right now. You can barely see the henna in it, and it feels good because obviously it's stretched out, it's warm, it's wet, it's going to feel good. But henna is very drying, so do not be fooled. It's going to be a lot easier for me to rinse out the product because it's stretched out, and don't pull your hair like I did. But back to not being fooled. We're gonna move on to the deep conditioner, and it smells amazing, it really does. But this deep conditioner is designed to soften your hair after the henna treatment. I use a very small amount again because it's not necessary to use a lot, and it does a good job. It feels great, and I'm just applying it like I would lotion. You guys, this is important. You have to condition after henna because henna is drying. All henna dries your hair out. 15 minutes processing time under the dryer again, and I'm going to rinse my hair out, take a shower, and do my final styling. And this is why it's very important to use a small amount of product. When you rinse your hair, all of it is gonna come out. Whereas if you use a lot, you may run the risk of having product left in your hair, which can cause itchiness or irritations because the product has not technically been used the way it's supposed to be used. While I shower, I'll let some of that steam work on my hair before I move along to the last step, step 4, which is the leave-in conditioner. And this is your leave-in conditioner, your detangler, your styler. And it does give some slip. It allegedly gives body. I can't confirm that because it's kind of hard to tell if my hair has more body or not because of how kinky it is, but it does give good slip. And I did cheat a little bit. I did put some oil in there. You can use this on your scalp. Unlike the deep conditioner, do not put deep conditioner on your scalp, but the leave-in can go on your scalp, go all over your hair. It feels great. And I did do African hair threading sections. No tutorial yet because I didn't want to take too much of your time on this video, but I will have a detailed African hair threading tutorial soon. And this thread, you guys, it disciplined me, okay? I was taking it out and for some reason I kept hitting myself in the face with my hair, and yeah, I almost went blind. But with African hair threading, I do have my own method that I use that is a remix of what my mother taught me. It's not like the traditional African threading where you tie a knot on your hair, but rather you tie the knot away from your hair, and I do have tutorials on that, but some people were a little bit confused, so I have to bring back a more detailed tutorial. That is the knot. And I pinch my hair while I hold the thread and release it that way. Sometimes it releases easily, sometimes it needs a little bit of help, but that's the general idea, and my stretch looks amazing. So these products have worked well together. My hair is very manageable right now, and I am at armpit length right now. I will do a trim tutorial because I'm due for a trim this month at the end of the month and also in December, so I'll try to do a trim tutorial at least once before the end of the year. This is what we're looking like. Manageable hair. It looks great. I do have to say this because I didn't say it previously. Henna cannot be used if you know you want to do a lot of hair dyeing because it does have a red tint to it. Some people may not know that, but that is how henna is. It's got dye in it. It's a natural strengthening dye. So if you work with color, I wouldn't advise it, but this is what my hair is looking like. It looks yummy, and I'm going to go ahead and style it. I'm gonna keep it simple with the styling, just half up, half down, but I am very pleased with my results, and I can't wait to come back to you guys with more videos, just showing you guys updates and progress until I finish all of the products. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I will talk to you guys in my next video. If you want to know more about Tsehai henna, all the information is going to be in the description box and all related information so that there's no confusion. But if you do have questions after that, please ask, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.